What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new, make sure you guys please subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers. And for those who are already subscribed, make sure you guys like this video and comment what you thought about the review in the comment section. But without further ado, something that has been very much awaited for me, at least, and that is this. The Walthers MainLine Thrall rebuilt 40-foot well car in the TTX DTTX scheme. I have them in the old original speed lettering scheme for TTX and the new maroon logo. New maroon logo. Now we're going to unbox this real quick, but before I do that, I want to tell you the price on this model. The price for this model is $29.98. Now, of course, you can find deals out there for the mid-20s. I got mine for $21.99 at trainworld.com. They still have these at Trainworld. I got two of them, but there's three different ones. There's also the small logo, the small maroon logo. But yeah, that's the price on this. $30 direct from Walthers.com. Now we're going to move this out of the way. Oh, and by the way, these are metal. So you can... Oh, here. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but they're metal. So I'm going to move this one to the side here. Zoom out a little bit. Alright. So you unbox all of Walthers stuff, as you guys know, from the left side. Pulls out like that. There's something in the box. Let's see what it is. If it doesn't want to... Oh, it fell on the floor. Let me get it real quick. Alright, so you get the warranty information, phone numbers and such, and talks about for kit shortages and spare parts on that side. You lift it off like this, clamshell packaging. If you hear screeching noises, that is people walking upstairs, as usual, in every video. And you're going to pull the car out of the nice packaging that it has right here. This is the first time that this has ever been made in plastic. Well, I should say metal and plastic. So I guess that's why it's kind of awaited in a sense. Before I put the package away, you do get this little holder where you would put the container, but it is just there. So I'm gonna put this away. I don't want to have too much of a mess here. And we're gonna get on to this next. Alright guys, right here we have the brake wheel and the brake chain, along with the chain here and brake piping going along the side. You have your brake piping here. You have, it feels like metal, metal walkways. They're metal walkways, but they are not see-through. Everything that you would expect with a value-priced model. Sorry, it's been 3 weeks since I've done a review, so trying to get back into the gist of it. It's been a little more than 3 weeks. I think it's been almost a little over a month. But metal walkways, they're not see-through, of course, like I just said. Inside you have the well, which everything in here is metal. I'm going to zoom out here a little bit. And you have little holes where you put the container, little ends here, which, as you can see right here, this will focus. You can see the little stubs on the end. Those will go into these little holes. You can fit two 20-foot containers in the well, or a 40-foot container in the well, or you can fit, and you can fit 40-foot all the way to 53 feet containers on the top. And I will show you what that looks like when we're done with the details here. Alright, so coming back here to the details, we have some of the applied grab irons here, which, okay, that's plastic, and little ladders here. Walthers Protomax metal knuckle couplers. I'll probably have to exchange those to maybe Katie's or something. Much of the same detail on the other side, kind of plain on this side. Metal wheels, plastic trucks. So you can see there, metal wheels, plastic trucks. Free rolling metal wheels, we'll test that out later. No details on the bottom. Kind of what you would expect from a value price model. And then like the brake piping here, and we are blurry. Alright, brake piping and all that such going across here. Beautiful model. Now we're going to come back around here and go look at some of the lettering. So if we don't get blurry here, this is a smaller car, so I guess kind of smaller details. Moving on, all the lettering is legible. I can't really read all that, but it is all legible under magnification. Plate H. Some information on the car. TTX speed lettering logo, 40 feet, indicating that the car is 40 feet long. DTTX 747292, which is the car number, and some warning labels and such, and how much weight it can take. 52,000 pounds, I think this is. Max gross weight for 20-foot containers. So that is about it for this model. We'll take a look at the other one, just a quick glance at the other one. Beautiful models. Now we're going to check those free rolling metal wheels I told you about. And we will also check coupler height using the new logo. And I will show you what it looks like with containers inside of the old logo. So real quick, check those metal wheels real quick. Alright, so I'm going to zoom out here. Kind of. So, not the best. Definitely not Athlon or Intermountain. But it rolls. And in this metal, it's a heavier car. I'd have to see how much this weighs, but it's a pretty heavy car. I'd say you can only pull about 50 of these with containers. To pull 50 of these with containers, you'll probably need some MTH engines. I'm gonna check coupler height here real quick. Still getting back into the gist of it and all of the reviews. Got the nice new maroon red logo there, 2008. Still trying to focus here. Zoom out a little bit there. Alright. So you can see how crisp all the lettering is on this model. Nice and beautiful. The reason why I ordered it, obviously. Alright, so we're going to come in here. Remember, we're looking at the middle line. These look to be right on. Yeah, those look to be right on. I'm going to do the other side. It could just be the track, but those look a little low. Yeah, it's just the track. Alright. So that's that. Now I'm going to put both of them on the track and show you what one of them looks like. It doesn't really matter what one of them looks like with some containers next. Alright, so I'm going to put these in here using these holes, which I guess can be a little bit difficult for some. Not if you're kind of used to it. I haven't done this yet, so I'm just going off on a limb here. That's what it looks like with two 20-foot containers in one of the wells. And if you want to get all fancy, you can put a 53-footer or another container on top. Doesn't really matter what size. And that's what it'll look like. So for a price of $30, I'd say you get what you get with this model. I'd say 9 out of 10. Kind of wish that the couplers were not Protomax metal knuckle couplers. Get that word out there. But I guess to make up for it, got the metal body, which is not lightweight like maybe some of the Athearn products that are out there. So it's nice. It is really, really nice. It is kind of like this car here. Kind of like the other Walthers Proto cars that are metal. Only difference that I can see here is really see-through metal walkways. I think that's the only difference on this model. So for budget friendly, I'd give this a 10 out of 10. So I really want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, do all those great things. Help the channel out, help us grow. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.